Hi everyone, this is Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan multiple documents and create a PDF directly using WhatsApp without installing any third-party apps. Many times we need to send several pages or documents to someone in PDF format. Usually, we install separate scanner apps for this, which often contain a lot of ads and waste our time. But the interesting thing is, WhatsApp already has a hidden built-in feature that allows you to scan documents and create PDFs very easily. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. It can be regular WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Now open any chat, tap on the attachment icon at the bottom, then tap on the document option. Here you will see an option called Scan Document. Tap on it. Now WhatsApp will show you two options: Manual Scan, Auto Capture. If Auto Capture is enabled, the document will be scanned automatically. When you place it in front of the camera, you can also manually capture the document by tapping the camera button below. After scanning the first page, tap on the plus icon below. Then add the second, third, or more pages. This way you can create a single PDF with multiple pages together. Here you will get several editing options: filter, crop and rotate, clean, AI enhance. Using filters, you can choose auto, color, grayscale, black and white. Using black and white mode can make printed documents look much clearer. If your fingers or any unwanted objects appear in the scan, you can use the clean option to remove those parts easily, crop and rotate. You can crop the document if needed, or rotate it to make it perfectly straight. Tap on the AI Enhance option. It will automatically detect the document, crop unnecessary areas, and improve the overall quality. Once all editing is complete, tap on Next. Your scanned pages will automatically be converted into a single PDF file. Then you can easily send it through WhatsApp. This way you can easily scan multiple documents, create PDFs without any third-party app, and send them directly through WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment, and let me know if you already knew this trick. Share it with your friends. Subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thank you. See you again in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.